At last lecture, we have to seen about the one-dimensional and two-dimensional packings. In two-dimensional packing, there is a square close packing and hexagonal close packing. Today, we have to seen about the close packing in three dimensions. In this close packing of the three dimensions, the two-dimensional square close packing layer are found to stack only in one way in a simple cubic lattice in a three-dimensional crystal structures. If two-dimensional AAA type layers are placed one above the other, then it forms only one type of the simple cubic lattice. If there are two-dimensional hexagonal close packing layers are found to stack, there are two types. These two types are two ways. The first is a hexagonal close packed structure, and second is a face centered cubic structure. These are the two ways we can represent the close packing of hexagonal close packed layers in three-dimensional structures. These are discussed below. The first is a stacking of square close packed layer. In this square close packed layer, the stacking of the square close packed layers generates three-dimensional simple cubic structure. The second layer is placed over the first layer so that the spheres exactly one above the others of the first layer. They are vertically and horizontally aligned in the same line. That is, in this arrangement, the spheres of all layers are perfectly aligned horizontally as well as vertically. Hence, all the layers are alike and are labeled as A. And this type of the arrangement is called as a AAA type arrangement of or square close packed structure of three-dimensional structures. Example, there is a stacking of the two-dimensional A type layers one above the other and forms this AAA type of the square close packing of three-dimensional crystal structure. The structure that results on stacking the square close packed layers is simple cubic. This is a simple cubic structure because all the layers are the same type, A layer, A layer, A layer or A layer, that is the same layers. Its unit cell is primitive unit cell. In this cell, each sphere touches 6 neighboring spheres, 4 in one layer, one above layer and one below the layers. Therefore, the coordination number of each sphere is 6 in square close packed structure. For example, in polonium is the only metal that crystallizes in a simple cubic close packed structure. It is important to note that polonium, this element, forms only the square close packing structure. Next is a stacking of two hexagonal close packed layers. There are two ways to represent the hexagonal close packing. The first way contains the spheres of the second layer are placed in a depressions of the first layer. Depressions of the first layer. If the layer is labeled as A layer, the second layer is labeled as a B layer because the two layers are aligned differently. There is no any two spheres of the first and second layers are vertically and horizontally in one alignment. As shown in this figure, the two layers close packed spheres. In this case, this is the first layer called as A type. The red colored spheres are the second layer. This is a B type. These two arrangement of the first and second layer is different. It is evident from the figure that all the triangular voids of the first layer are not covered by the spheres of the second layer. The empty places present between the first layer, these are not covered by the second layer. The triangular voids that is covered by the spheres of the second layer generates tetrahedral voids as shown in the figure. Means the three spheres from the first layer and one sphere from the second layer and vice versa forms the triangular voids. This is called as a tetrahedral voids. In this case, this is empty space is called as a triangular voids, and these four spheres, three sphere from the first layer and one sphere from the second layer, it forms a tetrahedron. At this time, the empty space is observed. This empty space is called as a tetrahedral voids or tetrahedral hole. If this triangular space is obtained in a single layer in a three sphere attached together, then this is called as a triangular voids. A tetrahedral voids is surrounded by the four spheres. On going to a center, these four spheres is a tetrahedron is formed, which encloses the tetrahedral voids, and this tetrahedron as shown in this figure. The remaining triangular voids of the first layer have above them the triangular voids of the second layer, and the overlapping triangular voids from the two layers together forms an octahedral void, which is surrounded by a six spheres as shown in the figure. In this case, if the remaining triangular voids of the first layer, they are not covered by the second layer, this overlapping triangular voids from the two layers together to form the octahedral voids. That means the three spheres from the second layer and three spheres from the first layer, it forms, there is an empty space. This empty space is called as a octahedral voids. At this time, the three spheres from the first layer and three spheres from the second layer to forms the octahedral voids, and this is called touches. A line touches and forms a figure. This is called as a octahedron, and this is a octahedron. Then the most important point, the placing of the hexagonal close packed layers. Before this, there are two layers, the first layer and second layer. Second layer is placed between the depressed part of the first layer. In this case, the third layer is placed in two ways. Third layer is placed on the tetrahedral voids, then it forms the AB type of the arrangement. Third layer, the spheres of the first layers. The resulting pattern is obtained. This is called as AB type of the arrangement. This arrangement gives hexagonal close packed structure as shown in this figure A. The metals such as the magnesium, zinc have HCP crystal structure. HCP means hexagonal close packed structure. The second way of the placing of the third layer hexagonal close packed layers on a second is the covered the octahedral voids by the spheres of the third. Means the spheres of the third layer is placed over the octahedral voids, then it obtain the another type of the arrangement. At this time the layers of the first, second and third are not aligned in a horizontally as well as vertically. These three layers are different from each other. The first layer is A type, second is a B type and third is a C type. Therefore, this arrangement is called as a hexagonal plaque layers. It's ABC type of the arrangement. Therefore, this arrangement result cubic close packed structure as shown in this figure B. In this case, these two spheres first and this first layer, these are exactly opposite with each other, but in case of the first layers, in case of the figure A, this contains both these spheres are the same, aligned with each other, but in case of this structure these two layers are different. Means the first layer, this is the second layer and this is the third layer are different. The next most important point is a coordination number in the close packed structure. There are three types of the arrangements are obtained. First is a simple cubic, second is a hexagonal cubic, hexagonal close packed structure, and third is a cubic close packed structure or face centered cubic structure. They contains the different coordination numbers. First is a simple cubic. This is called as a SC crystal structure. Each sphere is surrounded by 6 neighboring spheres from 4 in its own layer, one above and one below. Hence, in simple cubic crystal, the coordination number is 6. Second is a HCP or CCP or FCC, hexagonal close packed structure, or and cubic close packed structure or face centered cubic close structure that results from the stacking of the hexagonal close packed layers in two different ways. Each sphere is surrounded by the 12 neighboring spheres, 6 in its own layer, 3 above and 3 below. Hence, the coordination number in HCP or CCP or FCC structure has 12. This is the most important point. In simple cubic structure, the coordination number is 6, while in case of the HCP and CCP or FCC contains, the coordination number is 12. The number of voids per atom in HCP and CCP. The tetrahedral and octahedral voids occurs in HCP and CCP or FCC. There are two tetrahedral voids associated with each atom, while the number of octahedral voids is half of the tetrahedral voids. Thus, the tetrahedral void per atom means the tetrahedral voids per atom are 2 and octahedral voids are only 1. Therefore, this is remember that if n denotes the number of particles, then the number of tetrahedral voids is 2n and octahedral voids are n. And this is a coordination number in close packed structure in SCC, HCP and CCP or FCC structures of the crystal.